Let's recharge our body from head to toe as we stretch and twist our way to a more toned waist, all while entirely seated in a chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated knee raise march. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles at the top of the movement. Adding on, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide as you continue with the seated knee raise march, alternating right and left, keeping your spine long and your chest lifting. Adding a twist, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, re-lengthening your spine. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Continue here, or adding a leg extension. Reach opposite hand to leg, keeping your spine long, moving through your own range of motion, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, begin to alternate reaching one arm down the leg of your chair, moving from right to left, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, creating more space and ease through your side body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, cross your arms out in front of your chest. Inhale at center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Continue here or adding a knee raise. Inhale at center, exhale twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, moving from your waist, working through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, opening across your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, gently pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.